My name is Jay, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the calibration, the 3-square calibration on your 22 IDEX. This feature is mainly used to calibrate your build platform. If you have unevenness on the build plate, whether it be on the left-hand side to the right-hand side or vice versa, right-hand side to the left-hand side. If you get your part out of your printer and you see that one side is lower and one side is higher, this is where you use this feature, and I'll show you that right now. After you get your machine hooked up to your local network and have everything powered on and hooked up to your computer, go ahead and go to your job section here and then scroll down to your slicer, and you'll see a folder called test, and then you will see the XY element test 3MF file. So download that onto your computer or your laptop, whichever device you're using to slice your part, and then open up your Prusa slicer. After loading in your file, go ahead and pick your filament. Now you can use anything you want. You can use a filament in your printing. We are using a PLA, so I'll go ahead and adjust it to that temperature. All right, now that I got a G code out, send it to the printer, and I will start the print. Yes. Okay, now the machine's gonna heat up and start the print. Machine is heating up to 220 for PLA. I'm gonna go back here at dashboard, go to systems, calibration, and then mesh calibration. And this is gonna be where you adjust up and down. Remember, you're only adjusting the right-hand side and not the left-hand side. So we'll be looking at these outline, and we'll be looking at the part. Determine if it's higher or lower on the right side. It looks good, but I can see now just with the outline, I can see that the right-hand side is a bit closer than the left-hand side. Just a tiny bit, maybe just one click. Remember, you're only adjusting the right-hand side and not the left-hand side. So right now, the right-hand side is closer. So I want to bring that down a little bit to match with the left-hand side. So I'm going to click once. Each click is equivalent to 0.04 of a millimeter. So don't click it too many times. Okay, almost finished. And we'll drop it down, and then we'll determine if we need to adjust them more. With that one click, I was able to get them pretty close. Looks very even now. We'll go ahead and clean this up and start on the print and see if that's even better. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the print just to confirm the leveling. This one. Start. Okay, now that we're done, we'll go ahead and inspect it again. Make sure that they're even, and they do look evenly close, if not the same. And that is how you run your mesh calibration on a 3-square test on the 22 IDEX. For more tips and tricks, please watch our other videos. Thank you for watching.